Hi everyone, my name is Rao Hamza Tariq and you are watching the YouTube video of the bistructure YouTube channel. So in this video we will understand what is Hermes Agent and how can we use it. So basically Hermes Agent is just a agentic framework which is used to create the multi-agent system. You can make your personal AI assistant easily by using this framework. So now, before moving forward toward the setup, we have to understand what is the difference between the OpenClaw and Hermes agent. So the basic difference between both of them is the core philosophy. Most people understand both of them are same, but these both are not the same. Hermes agent's philosophy is to improve the agent again and again, time by time. But on the other hand, OpenClaw does not evolve time by time. So that's why this is the difference between both of them. Or that's why we are using the Hermes agent right now. So if you can see on the screen what is the design philosophy behind it. But we will going to set up it. So we will use the Docker for the setup because we know that there are security issues, for the uh, Hermes agent if we install it. So that's why we are using the isolated environment in the Docker. So you can just download the Docker desktop in the Windows or Mac or Linux, anywhere you want. So it just provides you a desktop application where you can manage your containers Docker environment. Okay. So now you can also use a desktop application of Hermes, but I will recommend you to use the Docker because I have already told you that it provides you isolated environment. Now this is the Docker application. Now you have to click the terminal in the Docker desktop, go to the terminal, and then paste this whole command. I will share this whole command in the description, so you don't have to worry about this. I will share this documentation. Okay, so you have to just paste it, click enter. But before moving to the enter, I have to change my password. You can change it accordingly. Now you can see the some ID of these Hermes agent appears. Or now you can see the container is running. Close this terminal. Open this container. Yeah, you can see the Hermes agent is running. You can use this port, this link. When you click on this link, this will lead to you 009119, but I will use a local host. So now the Hermes agent open. You can enter your admin and password, which I recently set. Now the Hermes agent setup. So this is the whole setup. Now we have to add the chat model. You can see there's a model attached. Its name is Claude, and you can see the message which is showing that there's no OpenAI key or any other key attached with this system. So we have to attach the key. So go back to the models. We have to change the model. Click on change. Now you can see there's a multiple model platform providers. You can choose whatever you want. But this gives me an instruction that you used to run this command in the terminal. So I will go again to the Docker terminal. Close this container. Open the terminal. And then in this terminal, clear this terminal. And I will just paste this command. Docker execute -it bash. So this command open the bash terminal in my Docker container in which our Hermes agent is running. So now we run this command, which is Hermes model. So you can navigate through the model. Now I will write it Hermes model. Click enter. Now you can see there's a multiple providers showing on our screen on our terminal. So before moving toward, we have to make one changes. We have to allow our ChatGPT to authorize to our system. So that's why I will go into the setting. You have to see toward the security and logging and enable this thing, because this will attach your ChatGPT with the your system. Okay. So now go back to the Docker. I'll select and use the code. Now open this URL in the same browser where you have just using your account of ChatGPT. So log in, continue, just paste the code. So now select the model. I'm selecting GPT 5.6 Luna. You can select whatever you want. Now let's move toward the dashboard. Refresh the browser. Go to the chat. And now you can see the model is showing. I'm just typing hi. So yeah. So this will give me a message. Hi, what can I help you today? So now you can understand that how can the setup